Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Do you want to take your instant oatmeal from bland to grand? Forget the microwave. Cooking it on the stove transforms it completely. You'll get a wonderfully creamy texture and a much richer flavor profile that's simply irresistible. This simple method elevates a quick breakfast into a truly satisfying meal. It's surprisingly easy, and the extra minute or two is absolutely worth it for the delicious difference you'll taste. Preparing delicious stovetop instant oatmeal starts with just a few simple things. You'll need one standard packet of your favorite instant oatmeal, about half a cup of liquid, either water or milk, and a small saucepan that's perfect for a single serving. Don't forget a sturdy spoon for stirring. That's really all it takes to get ready for a fantastic breakfast experience, making this method incredibly accessible for anyone. Now, let's begin cooking your perfect bowl of oatmeal. First, carefully pour your chosen liquid, whether it's water or milk, into your small saucepan. Next, empty the entire contents of your instant oatmeal packet into the liquid, stirring gently to combine them. Finally, place the saucepan onto your stovetop burner and set the heat to a comfortable medium. We're just starting the process for that wonderful, creamy texture. This step is crucial for achieving that amazing creamy consistency. Once the liquid begins to gently simmer, you'll want to stir continuously. Keep stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes as the oatmeal slowly thickens to your desired texture. Constant stirring prevents it from sticking to the bottom of the pan and helps release more starch, resulting in a perfectly smooth and luxurious bowl. Don't rush this part, it's worth the effort. Your incredible stovetop instant oatmeal is now ready to enjoy. Once it's reached that beautiful, creamy consistency you prefer, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Carefully spoon your delicious oatmeal into your favorite bowl. Now comes the fun part. Personalize your breakfast. Add fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts, or a touch of maple syrup to make it truly yours. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, wonderfully comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.